A few weeks ago, it made headlines when Westpac economists predicted the Brisbane house prices would see a 20% growth by 2023. Some economists and property market analysts started claiming that we might just be on the cusp of a property boom not seen since the turn of the century, and that it will be Brisbane, not Sydney or Melbourne, that will be leading this boom. We've always been big believers in the potential of the Brisbane property market. So let's explore some of the reasons why we think Brisbane will be seeing tremendous growth over the next few years as the nation pulls itself out of this recession. The first reason is proximity to jobs. Brisbane, particularly Brisbane's northern suburbs, is close to 5 employment hubs: the Central Business District, the airport, the Trade Coast, Fortitude Valley and the Enoggera Barracks. Before COVID, these areas were projected to create up to 440,000 new jobs by 2031. And after COVID, the need for new jobs is stronger than ever. The second reason is infrastructure spending. Over the last few months, we've seen many politicians claim that the infrastructure spend will be the driving force to kickstart our economy. Well, Brisbane had already been investing a lot of money in infrastructure projects over the last few years, such as the airport upgrade and the Cross River Rail. In this financial year, the Queensland Government will be spending $13.9 billion on infrastructure. This infrastructure creates more jobs, but also makes the city a better place to live. Speaking of which, how can you skip the Brisbane lifestyle? Those of us in Melbourne are coming out of a dreary winter lockdown, and we are always looking at the sunny Brisbane lifestyle with envy in our eyes. Once borders open up and we resume normalcy, Brisbane will be seeing a lot of interstate net migration. Brisbane was already positive for net migration. That's only going to increase in the coming years. All of the factors combine to drive population growth, which affects the demand for housing in the Brisbane metropolitan area. As Brisbane becomes a more and more popular place to live, demand for housing will grow. Those who consider Brisbane investments now will prosper as the city only continues to grow.